Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up TradingView indicators. TradingView provides a powerful platform with hundreds of built-in technical analysis tools. Learning to effectively add and customize these indicators is crucial for developing a robust trading strategy. We will walk through the simple steps to get your charts looking exactly how you need them, enhancing your market analysis with precision and clarity. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities. Adding indicators to your TradingView chart is a straightforward process. First, find the Indicators button, which looks like a small FX symbol located near the top of your screen. Clicking this will open a search bar where you can type the name of any indicator you wish to use, such as the Relative Strength Index or a simple moving average. Once you find your desired tool, simply click on it and it will immediately appear on your chart, ready for analysis. Once an indicator is on your chart, you will likely want to customize its settings to fit your specific trading approach. You can access these options by either double-clicking the indicator directly on the chart or by clicking the small gear icon that appears next to its name. Here, you can modify various parameters, including the indicator's length, its input source, and even its visual style and color. Remember to save your preferred settings as a template for future use. Managing multiple indicators efficiently is key to a clean and effective chart setup. On a free TradingView account, you can typically add up to 2 indicators per chart, while paid plans offer significantly more, often up to 25 or even more. To keep your chart organized, you can drag indicators to separate panes, allowing for clearer visualization. If an indicator is no longer needed, simply click the small X icon next to its name on the chart legend to remove it instantly. This helps maintain a focused analytical view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.